Every breath you take carries a secret. An element so abundant, so silent, that most people never notice it. It doesn't burn. It doesn't shine. It doesn't explode. And yet without it life collapses. This is the story of nitrogen. The invisible element life cannot exist without. Look at Earth from space. That thin veil around the planet, our atmosphere, is not oxygen-dominated, as many believe. 78% of Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen. More than 3/4 of the air you breathe is an element your body cannot use directly. And that is where the mystery begins. Nitrogen doesn't just surround life. It builds life. Every protein in your body, every enzyme that powers your metabolism, every strand of DNA that carries your identity, all of them depend on nitrogen chemistry. Remove nitrogen, and biology simply stops working. Your DNA is written in 4 chemical letters, A, T, C, and G. Every single one of them contains nitrogen. Without nitrogen, DNA cannot form stable bonds. No genetic code, no inheritance, no evolution. Life would not just struggle. It would never begin. Proteins are the machines of life. They move muscles. They carry oxygen. They repair damage. And at the heart of every protein lies the amino group, a nitrogen atom bonded in just the right way. No nitrogen means no proteins. No proteins means no cells. No cells means no life. And yet here is the paradox. You breathe nitrogen with every breath, but your body cannot use it. Atmospheric nitrogen is locked in an incredibly stable form. 2 nitrogen atoms bound together by one of the strongest chemical bonds in nature. Life needs nitrogen, but cannot access it alone. So how did life solve this impossible problem? On early Earth, lightning shattered nitrogen molecules. Volcanoes forged reactive nitrogen compounds. Meteor impacts helped kickstart chemistry. But this was not enough. The real heroes were microscopic. Certain bacteria evolved a revolutionary ability. They learned how to break nitrogen apart. Through a process called nitrogen fixation, these microbes convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, a form life can finally use. Plants absorb it. Animals eat plants. Predators eat animals. And suddenly, an entire biosphere is born. This is the nitrogen cycle, an endless planetary loop that connects the sky to the soil, and the soil to your bloodstream. Without it, nutrients would vanish. Ecosystems would starve. Oceans would turn sterile. Life doesn't just need energy. It needs elements in motion. Imagine nitrogen chemistry disappears. Plants can no longer grow. Photosynthesis stops not because of carbon, but because proteins fail. Animals starve. Food webs collapse. Oxygen production falls. Within generations, Earth becomes silent. Not frozen, not burned, just empty. Nitrogen is invisible, but it is not passive. It stabilizes the atmosphere. It feeds the biosphere. It writes the code of life itself. Life does not exist despite chemistry. Life exists because of it. But nitrogen tells only part of the story. Because life needs a stage, a solid surface, continents, mountains, planets that don't drift away as gas. Next time, we explore the element that built worlds. Silicon, the element that turned cosmic dust into rocky planets. If this video expanded your view of the invisible forces shaping life, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us as we uncover the elements that built the universe, one atom at a time.